Problem number 18. If a plus b plus c is equal to 2022 and 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 1 by 2022, then find the value of 1 by a raised to 2023 plus 1 by b raised to 2023 plus 1 by c raised to 2023. Now it is a given that given solution for this problem given that given two equations here, a plus b plus c is equal to 2022. Let me call this is equation number 1, and 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c equal to 1 by 2022, and let me call this is equation number 2. Multiplying these two equations, multiplying these two equations, we get 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c into a plus b plus c equal to 1. 2022 into 1 by 22 equal to this much. And this implies 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c equal to 1 divided by a plus b plus c. Means dividing both sides by a plus b plus c, we will get this one, and this implies, let me write down 1 by b plus 1 by c equal to 1 by a plus b plus c minus 1 by a, and that implies 1 by b plus 1 by c. Simplifying this one by taking the LCM equal to a minus a plus b plus c divided by a into a plus b plus c, and that equal to a minus b minus c divided by a into a plus b plus c, and that equal to this a and this a getting cancelled, minus b minus a, and I would like to write down minus b plus c divided by a into a plus b plus c, and this can be written as, this implies 1 by b plus 1 by c equal to minus b plus c divided by a into a plus b plus c, and the left hand side you can simplify this one. This implies B plus C divided by BC equal to minus B plus C divided by A into A plus B plus C, and taking this to the left hand side, so we'll get B plus C divided by BC plus B plus C divided by A into A plus B plus C is equal to 0. And this I can write down this as, I would like to take B plus C as a common factor into 1 by BC plus 1 by A into A plus B plus C equal to 0. Simplifying the sum in the bracket, in the second bracket, we will get B plus C into LCM, using LCM here in adding the fractions, A into A plus B plus C plus BC divided by BC into A into A plus B plus C. This is so, this is B, is equal to 0. And this we can write down, uh, simplifying the numerator and as well as the denominator, we will get it as this implies, what is that? B plus C into bracket A square plus AB plus AC plus BC, the numerator, and the denominator BC into, what is that? A square plus AB plus AC equal to 0. And now this is what I am going to do it, multiplying both sides, B plus C into A square plus AB plus AC plus BC is equal to 0. This we got it by multiplying, and let me call this is 3, multiplying 3 both sides by BC into A square plus AB plus AC. So we will get it, this is equal to 0, and B plus C into bracket. Let me take A into A plus B plus C into A plus B is equal to 0, and this can be written as B plus C into bracket A plus B into A plus C is equal to 0. Finally, we can write down a plus b into b plus c into a plus c equal to 0. And this implies a plus b equal to 0 or b plus c equal to 0 or a plus c equal to 0, or all of them or any two of them are 0. The final output is 0 only. And if you take this, if we take a plus b equal to 0, implies a equal to minus b, and therefore the first equation a plus b plus c equal to 2022 will gives us a uh, b sorry minus b plus b plus c equal to 2022, implies that c is equal to 2022. Now consider 1 by a raised to 2023 plus 1 by b raised to 2023 plus 1 by c raised to 2023, and that equal to 1 by a raised to 2, I can write down, replace it by minus b, because we have found that uh, a equal to minus b raised to 2023 plus 1 by b raised to 2023 plus 1 by c raised to 2023, and this equal to, this is getting cancelled with this term, and 1 by c raised to 2023. We have already got the value of c as 2022, that equal to 2022 raised to 2023, and therefore the value is therefore 1 by a raised to sorry a raised to 2023 plus 1 by b raised to 2023 plus 1 by c raised to 2023 equal to 1 by 2022 raised to 2023. This is the final answer.